Hey guys, so today as I was browsing through my Facebook page, I came across this video on how you can repair your blocking glass, your blocking windshield, your blocking screen with just a drop, as you can see in the video. So I wanted to actually try this out. I'm going to buy this liquid from here and I'll tell you guys how it goes. When I receive it, I'll show you. I'll shoot another video and I'll shoot a video showing how it actually works. Let's see if this works. So this is part one of this video, so you should look out for part two when I actually get the products. I'm going to buy it today and it's going to take about 2 weeks to get to Zambia because yeah, about 2 weeks or 3 weeks depending on this guy's location. So when I get it and I try it out, we're gonna see the results together. So as you can see here, that's showing you just need to put a drop and voila, your windscreen is fixed. So let's go see it together. So yeah.